guys, it just rained today, so we're gonna make paper boards and put them in the creek. Yay! The first step is to make the paper boats. First, you fold it like this. After folding it into half, you're gonna have to again make it into half like this. Should look like a laptop or a book. Now you have to open it like this, and then take this part and then put it back. And now you have to fold this part only up like this. After this part, you have to turn it around. And when you see these triangles, you have to fold them up like this. And do the same with this. After folding, it should look something like this, and then open it. All the way about here. Same on this side. And it should look like this. After this, you have to open it like this, fold it like that, and then open this.